Welcome to the channel, where we explore bold ideas, test the limits, and uncover the truths about health and fitness. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about diets on the planet, the carnivore diet. Is it the ultimate way to fuel your body, or is it too extreme? Stick around because this is going to be wild. So, what exactly is the carnivore diet? Well, it's simple: eat only animal-based foods. Yep, that's right. No veggies, no fruits, no greens, just meat, fish, eggs, and a few animal-derived products like butter. It's about going back to our ancestral roots and fueling our bodies with nutrient-dense, bioavailable foods. Advocates say it mimics the diet of our ancestors, who thrived as hunter-gatherers. It's packed with protein and healthy fats while cutting out carbs entirely. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to do this? Let's break it down. Weight loss and fat burn. By eliminating carbs, your body enters a state of ketosis, burning fat for fuel. For many, this means steady weight loss without counting calories, reduced inflammation, goodbye to bloating and joint pain. Many carnivores report feeling lighter and more energetic as inflammation decreases, mental clarity and energy. Forget the midday slumps. Many swear by heightened focus and consistent energy throughout the day. Testimonial 1. I lost 30 pounds in 3 months, and I've never felt better. Testimonial 2. My energy levels are through the roof, and my workouts have improved so much. But wait, what about the risks? No diet is perfect, and the carnivore diet has its share of controversy. Nutrient deficiency. Without fruits and vegetables, you could miss out on essential vitamins and fiber. Supplementation might be necessary. Cholesterol concerns. Some worry about high cholesterol levels, though recent studies suggest the relationship isn't as straightforward as we once thought. The science of the carnivore diet is still emerging. Some studies suggest it can be effective for weight loss and reducing certain chronic diseases, while others warn about the long-term risks. So, is the carnivore diet for you? It depends on your goals, your body, and your lifestyle. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but for those who thrive on it, the results can be life-changing. Adaptation phase. The first few weeks can be rough. Fatigue, headaches, and cravings are common as your body adjusts. If you're curious about trying it, start slow, do your research, and listen to your body. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making drastic dietary changes. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the carnivore diet, or are you thinking about it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, stay strong and stay curious.